our neighbor. Go back. Go right here. Hungary and left by. Right by. Two. Continue. Solid. Left by 1, 2, 3, 4. And down until you hit blue concrete down to hit black concrete. And continuing that lane right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up right by 1 and left by 2. Left 3. Right down right by 1, 2. Down by 2. Down right by 1. Down by 1, 2, 4. Right. Down right by 2. Right by 2. Up by 2. This will be the checkpoint of train. Go right here. Down by 2. Down. Up. Left. Sabi ko. Left by 1. Down by 1. Down left by 1. Down. Down. Go right here. Right here and down until the concrete red hole. Later I will fill that. Let's go to Moldova. For Moldova yung like red, terracotta and other. Right here. Up right by 1. Up by 1. Up right by 1. Up by 1. Right by 3. Up up left by 2. Up up up. Up by 1. Up left by 3. Up by 1. Up left by 1. Up by 1. Do this. From right here. This red and pop pop. Do this button for like right here. The rest. Hello, country. Now this is simple. The way in the way Ukraine parts that has been taken by Russia. From one corner. Damn! It's him. And next Ukraine. It's kinda hard for Ukraine to. So, goodbye, wait for Ukraine and Belarus!